Yeah, it wouldn't tighten. You wanna put this on?
Huh?
You wanna put this on?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Will it work?
Yeah, put it on your head.
Coming down.
I mean, you can tighten it.
Yeah? No, it's good.
And then
It'll work. Here, I'll put my hat on over it.
Okay. You wanna tilt it downwards.
Right here. I'll put my hat on and then put this on. Put it on over my hat. Bam.
See?
Okay. You wanna?
Fuck yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it? I feel like something's up with my snare.
Some rattling.
Yeah. I need to get new heads for it. What's going on here? Yeah, look at that, my fucking... Yeah. Is there any way I could leave these here for the night?
Yeah.
And like pick them up?
Yeah.
Like before tonight, tomorrow, whenever before the weekend, or you can feel free to play them if you feel like.
Friday.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, bitches and tits. Fuck yeah. Man, thanks for letting me fucking do this, bro.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, damn. Why is it shaking on me like that? Oh, that's why. I haven't played these drums. There's like contemplating selling them, bro. Taking a couple of good pictures and ooh, she running away. Ooh, that fucking Play a little. This is just, whew, man, boy. I forgot how to play drums damn near, dude. Let's see if I got something here. I got something over here.
Honestly, before I sat on this electric shit over here, I hadn't sat on a drum set in like almost 10 years.
Damn.
Yeah, I can't play shit. I was over here. Hold on, I don't know if you saw it. No, I don't think so. Because this account's private and I like don't even really use it. I was on here trying to fucking blast. Because the kick's broken, so I was the floor.
Hey, you Oh, dude, that was great.
Fucking hilarious.
Slippery Dixie.
Some water from the